Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Isabella and I'm your personal cosmetic doctor and your friend and guide in the world of the cosmetic medicine, plastic surgery and all of that. So today I have a very special topic for you guys. Today I'm going to be talking about a very popular subject, the liquid nose job. So the liquid nose job, or as we say in the cosmetic medicine, we are just making your nose more straight. We are just correcting Professor Dumbledore's nose, or Professor Snape. I don't know which are your Gryffindor or a Slytherin, take your pick. It's one of the most popular topics at the moment, and that's why I thought, because I have so much questions, I will answer them for you. First of all, the question is, what is a liquid job exactly? As you can see with this here, instead of having this little bump here, we are making your nose straight. And guys, this is a very simple, very easy procedure. Like, if you have thought about doing a nose job for years and years and you've saved money and you thought, okay, now I have to go to a plastic surgeon, and mind you, for years that was the only option. But today, you don't have to get an operation to make your nose look smaller and much more straight. So what is a liquid nose? At the point where there's a little bump, if you can see, then you have a little gap here. Well, I don't have it, but you know what I mean. We can fill that up with filler, with a hyaluronic acid. It takes about a couple of minutes and it's completely gone. Seriously, just look at her. So what the procedure is all about is we are placing a few drops of hyaluronic acid filler on this lowest part of the nose. Optically, the skin is being lifted and the nose, believe it or not, but the nose looks smaller, straighter, and ever so beautiful. Also, an important question, which I get very often, people are asking, how long does an effect last? Well, you guys, we've got to be honest. If you go to a plastic surgeon and you have a really long, painful procedure and you have like a couple of weeks of recovery time, you don't have that much recovery time. After a filler procedure, even more, you can just go straight on to a party after the procedure. The effect lasts actually as long as the filler lasts. So in some cases it's like maybe, for example, 6 months or 9 months or up to a year. It depends on the brand, your doctor or your clinic where you go. So it's best for you to call them or make an appointment and ask which brand it is and how long the effects will last. So the next question is, how risky is this procedure? Are there any dangers? Are there any side effects? What can you expect? There are very few risks or side effects. Of course, in almost all of my videos, I do mention the fact that where a needle comes into your skin, into your face, you can get a little bruise. So the same thing is in this area. There are a few blood vessels, not large ones, not big ones. I don't see a lot of big bruises, but you never know. You should always take into account you could have a little bruise. And as far as the pain goes, it's not really a very painful procedure. Then again, everybody has another threshold of pain, so something that's not painful for you might be painful for someone else. But the majority of cases, people do not report this procedure as being painful. So when you compare the pricing of the liquid nose job versus the plastic surgery, this is a very huge difference. A plastic surgery might cost going up to a couple of €1,000, dollars, pounds, whatever. The liquid nose job usually doesn't cost more than a couple of hundred, depending again on the brand, on the amount needed. But usually you really don't have to pay, not by far, as much as a plastic surgery procedure. Mind you, I'm only talking in this video about the little bump, but if you desire to do any procedure in this part of the nose, then I seriously recommend you make an appointment with a plastic surgeon and ask for the possibilities. Because doing the procedure in this part of the nose with a filler does go with more risks. I personally do treat almost all of your body. If anyone would ever have the desire to treat their whole body from top till bottom, I will be happy to help them. But in the region of this part of the nose, no, I'm not a clown. No, don't put them. It's my editor. Okay, we're done? Okay. This part of the nose, I personally do not treat with any injectables. The reason for that is in this part of the nose, you have a lot of blood vessels and a lot of nerves. Doing a procedure with a filler, the risk of an occlusion or getting a filler into the blood vessel itself is quite, and this is the reason that a lot of colleagues do not do this part of the nose with any fillers, any injectables. However, I do know quite a few colleagues who do. If you are absolutely determined, you don't want to do a plastic surgery treatment, or you're just afraid of a surgery or whatever, please do your homework as best as possible. Do see which cosmetic or aesthetic doctor does do these procedures and really has the highest references, doing the best jobs and being really experienced in this field, and you can make an appointment and ask for the possibilities. In this video, again, we are doing the little bump here. It's absolutely really low risk with side effects, so that's a good sign. All in all, if you're irritated by this little bump on your nose and you're thinking so long, like, I want to do something, I want to get rid of it, make an appointment with one of my colleagues, talk about the possibilities and get rid of it. Okay. Hey you guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so you never miss another video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Mwah.